I want to tell you an interesting story in reality that happened to a fellow. Hope you can learn one or two things from it. A man who has always asked me for help called this morning, asking if I was at home. Said no. He asked if he could wait. Again I said no, that he should go. I will call him when I'm back home. I don't have money today, please. Even, I too is looking for who will help me with some money. I murmured to myself, after dropping the call. As I stepped out of the house much later, I was shocked to see him asleep on the bench beside my house waiting for me. I felt sad, with a rush of guilt. I walked towards him, making up my mind to give him 1K out of the 3K cash I had with me. He was so happy to see me when I tapped him awake. Are you just coming? I didn't know when I slept off. He asked and I said yes. I had to lie again, before I could bring out the 1K. With so much excitement he brought out a brown envelope containing the sum of 100,000 naira and said to me, "It is for you. You've been so kind to me during the lockdown. I know it's small for you, but just buy anything you want with it," he said confidently. God has done it. I was so pleasantly dazed. God has again transformed another life. Glory be to him. Moral lessons from the story. 1. Many of those we see treated as beggars are probably more generous and much kinder than us, the self-acclaimed philanthropists. 2. It is not every time people call that they need your help. They can also call to bless you and God changes their lives. Some people you help are often on their knees praying to God for more of His blessings in your life, so you'll never lack to give to the needy. Some people we've helped today might end up helping our children or family members tomorrow. God is the ultimate owner of all things. You are only a steward. Be wise with His privileges upon your life. It's called grace. Be kind to people on your way up, so if unfortunately you meet them on your way down, they too will remember and be kind to you. What do we even have that we were not given? Be nice to people. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Amazing views. So beautiful. Wow, fantastic. So awesome.
Really?
Yes, it is. I would like to buy my house in this kind of environment.
You mean when you grew up?
Yeah, when you grow up.
Don't worry. It's all about planning.
Okay.
Yeah.